Good morning, everyone. It's another cloudy day here in Charlotte. Today is Lipson's topic, but it's a completely different one. Today we talk about icicle. Icicle, if you're new, I don't know whether you have seen icicle. Icicle is a clear Lipson's. So this is the usual Lipson's with color. Icicle is not a gloss. It's a Lipson's color, but it stays clear. This is glossy glass, you can see, which is a clear gloss. But whereas icicle is a color that is made like a clear one. Let me explain the purpose of it. You all know Senegen's Lipson's is a patented three-layer concept. That means the 4 to 18 hour that is promised with the Lipson's is done only when you do 3 thin layers. So if you don't if you are not doing 3 layers, I mean, after following cleaning your lips, doing thin layers, giving enough time in between, shaking the bottle, sealing it with glossy, still until you do 3 layers, sometimes you may not get the 4 to 18 hour wear. I have many people who are first time buyers with the colors like a very prominent red or a very darker like a maroonish shade. Any of these colors, like whether it's very bright or very dark, they may not sometimes comfortably be able to wear 3 layers. They may like the shade, but still they weren't unsure of 3 layers of blue red. I think even with this outfit I have done I think blue red with the 3 layers. So but it is not for everybody's jam. Like, not everybody who is new to Lipson's or even red shade, as it is, as you know, red is a really powerful shade, so they may not be comfortable wearing 3 layers of it. But at the same time, you will not get the longevity of Lipson's until you do 3 layers. So that's when icicle comes into place. What you can do is and the second thing is Lipson's acts as a sunscreen to your lips when you are out in the sun. So by wearing icicle as a layer, you have both the benefits. You can do, for example, if you want to do a red, like what is this, red ruby, then you can start with icicle, do a layer of 1 or 2 layers of a shade whichever you prefer, and then seal it with either glossy or matte, whichever gloss you want to. So that way you still have the 3 layers. That way you have the 4 to 18 hour, but at the same time you have toned it down a bit. So the same way you can do 1 layer of icicle, 1 layer of just a bright shade like even purple rain or kiss for a cast, and then you can seal it again. I mean, do the 3rd layer again as icicle, and then seal it with glossy. By doing that, you just have 1 layer of your bright shade, and you don't it will not be as what is it, like dark or prominent as you do 3 layers of red ruby. So that is the other thing. And for as I said, since it's going to be a sunscreen for your lips, if you are going to be on out in walking or even in beach, yeah, and you don't want any of Lipson shades to show, then you can wear icicle as your lip color. So you are going to have like a clear Lipson's color, so that way it will not be seen at all. At the same time, you will have the protection from Lipson's where it acts as a sunscreen for your lips, and it's not going to have the radiations affected. Icicle is really a fun color to have in your thing, and doing it as, and other one more thing is, some people may have, when they pick a very pigmented shade, they may have the color stained a bit of their lips. It's not for everybody, but some people may have it like that. So in those cases also, you can use icicle as your first layer. That way you will not have the stain at all. So that is another cool benefit with that. And the other one I have to mention is with Senegen's, you know, you can wear Shadow Suns as your lip color. You can wear the lip balm. You can still wear the blush as your lip color. On those cases you can use icicle just to seal the color. Then you can go ahead with the gloss too, so that way you will make it like a smudge resistant, like because those goes as a what is it, like the last layer, and then you have a buffer layer that is protecting your colors, because obviously a shadow sense in eyes may be smudge resistant, but when you wear it in lips it cannot be as staying as the lip sense color. So obviously it will wear off after some time, but using this buffer layer you are not going to have the smudging immediately. So that is another thing to use with icicle. So for my today's color, as you see, my outfit has a print and I have a bold earring. So in that case I will not like to wear a very bold red shade or something, because then that will be like too many things clashing. So those days I can really use icicle. That way I can tone down the lip color, but at the same time I have many things coordinating. So I'm going to go ahead with icicle as my first layer. Let me show you how it looks, and then we'll go ahead and pick a color and do it. Always make sure you clean your lips really well, because lip sense adheres to your lips, so you don't want any makeup or any other food particles or something in your lips. So make sure you clean it really well and then dry it. You can use plain water, you don't need I use witch hazel, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can even get witch hazel pads. I use the liquid one, so that way I can just moisture my either my towel or the disposable thing. But you can directly get even like witch hazel pads available in Amazon. So like any other color, just make sure you shake it well. Since it's going to be a clear one, you can do a little thicker layer too, because you will not obviously be able to see it. This is going to be my first layer, that's the buffer layer. So this is my first layer of icicle. You can't even see that there is a color there, but you will see the layer being there, because obviously you can feel that it's being lip sense, it will be little sticky. And I may go with I wanted to go with a bright color, that way you can see the difference. Let me go ahead with maybe rhubarb, because that's the latest one I've been wearing all the time. You can see if I don't have a bigger earring, obviously I can do rhubarb with this outfit. So I'm going to go ahead now. My first layer is dry, so let me go ahead with rhubarb as my second layer. Then you have a choice. Once you do the second layer, if you like it, you can do the third layer too if it is not too bright. But if you feel like, okay, this itself is bright for me, then do the icicle as your third layer. So let me go ahead with the rhubarb as my second layer. So it's always make sure you wipe out the wand clear. I would love to do the third layer of rhubarb, but since I wanted to show you guys how much it can tone it down, I'm going to go ahead with the third layer of icicle. But when you do the icicle on top of a color, then I don't like to use the wand as it is, because you may transfer the color to the lip sense, so which will spoil it. So I like to use my disposable wand. That way I don't have the color transfer done. And when you do the color on top of like a third layer, then don't press it too hard. You can just do it really light, that way you can just cover it. So my second layer is really nicely dry. Just give it a extra seconds than usual, that way you will make sure your color will not transfer at all. So that's another tip. So let me use the disposable wand. So that's my third layer. Let it dry, then we'll seal it with the gloss. So my color is dry now. Usually you all know I'm a glossy girl, but today I'm going to go with the matte gloss for this shade because any red shade with matte gloss looks really nice. So I have sealed the color with matte. You can see the difference between rhubarb to rhubarb with two icicle. You can see how bright the color is in the tube, whereas it's not as bright as that. So icicle is such a fun color to have in your collection. If you have red and you like to wear it, and this way you can use it in different occasions, like you can still have the bright red for parties and other things, but this way you can make it even for a everyday use color. And I icicle is a discontinued color from Lipson's. Discontinued means it got sold out, so we cannot order anymore. I just have 3 of them in my stock. That's all I have. I don't have anymore, and I cannot order from the website too, like, because the company no more carries the color. So if you are looking for some color to tone it down, your bright reds and orange, orange or any shade in particular, please make sure to grab it. As I said, this is my last of stock, so first comes the first serve. I will not be able to save it for later. And once you get it, you will use it in every single way you can, because this will come so handy in many different applications. Like if you just have 1 or 2 colors, you can make endless possibilities with this adding icicle to your collection. So that's all for today. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.